Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the cartridge in one of these Hansgrohe taps. Now the giveaway sign is when you pull up, the handle actually feels stiffer than it normally is, and obviously I think that's to do with hard water. So you need to buy a replacement cartridge. I have bought one of these, and one of the things that surprised me that they normally come with the cartridge, which is this, and an Allen key, which is used around that area to open it up, but it didn't come with it. So I have previously bought these cartridges. That's the sort of packaging it used to come in, and I have a spare Allen key. It's a bit annoying, I guess, if you're doing this for the first time. So let's make a start, and I'll include links in the description for this particular cartridge if you're wondering what to get. But it's always worth having a quick check by taking it out, checking the serial number, and then doing it. So first of all, we need to isolate the water. Obviously it's not isolated off. And if I get my screwdriver, I've got the isolation valves just over here. So I'll just turn them off. That's one. That's the other one done. Had to go back and turn it just a little bit more, and it was easier obviously to do it without the camera in the way. So there you have it, it's completely isolated off now. First thing you want to do is block off the sink, and reason for that is if I come in closer just over here, and there's a little plastic plug there. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the Allen key from the other packaging and then push that in. Go. And now we can actually get to the bolt just behind that to loosen it. So let's wiggle it until it sort of sits in position. There you go, that's it. And then just turn to loosen it. There you go, comes straight off. I've come in closer so you can see what it's like in there. So you can see some hard water residue. There's some in there as well. And there's a rubber thing just there. You've got to make sure you keep that safe to block it back up again. There's the rubber cover. I'll just put that safely at the side. We just need to remove this part now. Let's take a screwdriver and gently try to pull this up. Maybe I'll take the screw off first. Give a bit more space. Okay, now I take my screwdriver. You can see it moving. There you go. It's come away. That's it. Just need to take the cartridge out now. To take this cartridge out, just need a large spanner. I've already adjusted it to the size. So holding onto the tap, obviously. Turn it. There you go, that's the cartridge. If you want to look for details of the actual part number, so this is what you can do just to double check you got the right one. It's normally on the side there. If I can show that somehow, you can just about make out the numbers on there. And then when you make your order, obviously go for that number on the website. Trying to show, it's just there. Okay, so now taking the new one. There you go. Just have a quick look underneath. Now to me, looks slightly different. It's got this rubber in there, so that needs to be taken out, I'm assuming. So just to show, the old one doesn't have a little clip between there, but this one does. There you go, that's come out. Just clean up the little bit of muck from the hard water that went in there from my screwdriver. Okay, that's fine. That's good. Let's put it in. Showing the top view before I put it in, you can see the holes at the side sort of marry up with that. So it should go straight in like this. There you go. Taking the nut I took out previously. Let's tighten that nut up. Just pushing the cartridge in. Now I can tighten it by hand first. Then taking my spanner, tighten it back into place. That feels good. And the cover that goes back on there, we'll just give it a quick clean. Taking the cover, just put it back in place. Just slots into position. Take the top of the tap. I'll give it a clean out now. The inside part. There you go. Slightly better. And then now that goes straight over there. Might have to adjust the screw slightly. I think it needs to come out more. If that will go in. Yeah, that's fitted in. And now we just tighten back up again. Okay, that's nice and tight now. You can take the rubber washer that was in there, give that a little bit of a clean. There you go, and that just gets pushed back into position. So it should be just flush with it. There you go. If you've done it wrong, obviously just push it back in with the Allen key, take it off and put it back in. We can move on to turning the water back on. So opening up the cupboard. Let me just do this from this angle. There you go. You can hear the water coming out. Do the other side. There you go. Back on again. Let's unblock the sink. Try the handle. There you go. Feels normal again with a smooth action. So there you go. That's how to replace a tap cartridge on a Hansgrohe tap. Thanks for viewing. See you in the next one.